Hello, welcome back guys to Amelia Projects here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to sync Microsoft Outlook calendar on Android. But before it, I have you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support the channel. And yeah, now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, first thing first, of course you just have to open your Outlook. And now in this Outlook page, you just have to go to your icon account at the top left in the corner of your phone. Just tap on it. And at the bottom we will see the gear icon, which is the settings, I guess. Now go ahead and tap on it, and then in this settings page you just have to scroll it down again until we'll find here the calendars options. Just go ahead. If you want to sync the calendars, you will see here at the last option, which is the sync calendar. Just go tap and enable the button or the toggle beside the sync calendar. I'm gonna tap on it. And in this pop-up, you just have to allow you guys for the Outlook to access your calendars on your phone. I'm gonna tap on allow. When it's turned blue, the toggle beside the sync calendars, which mean the calendar Outlook is already synced. So yeah, I think it's enough. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.